Well, once again, thank you all, you YouTubers, you keeping it realers out there in YouTube land. Thanks once again for hopping on board, watching Keeping It Real in Thailand. This is kind of the halfway point between Lamai and Mae Nam on top of the mountain here. Just down near the bottom as you come up. And well, anyway, this is the midpoint. So it's really calm up here. It's quite something else. Lots of durian trees, and there's some sights to see down here. There's some new additions I haven't seen in quite a long time, so I'll be privy to it just as you are. We'll both explore this together. It's been a long time since I've been down here. I used to cycle up here. I used to 3 times a week I'd mountain bike up here and then go all the way through the mountains and cross. I'm not doing that anytime soon. A little older. It does get pretty busy on this stretch of road too. It's it's the shortcut, but it does take a long time. I mean, it's a shortcut, but it is quite steep. Should have a decent bike when you're doing this. Good size. Those little 125s, they can do it, but if you're too heavy-ish kind of people, one is walking to get to the top. Seen it too many times. So hey, I want to thank all you subscribers out there who've been hitting the channel right on. Thank you very much. This is almost at the halfway point myself. So yeah, thank you very much for hopping on board. Please share as much as you can. Let's get this thing going. Right, let's go this way. See what's cooking down the road. There's my old Joe Blair sticker, Facebook. Get me on Facebook, Joe Blair. And there's my new sticker, Keeping It Real in Thailand. There you go. I put that other sticker, the Joe Blair one, up there probably 6-7 years ago. Still up there. There's a whole bunch of them now. I think I was the first one to put a sticker up there. They're getting there now. I got her up on the super view, the Googleplex Cam view in super view. The fishbowl effect. Some of you don't like and some like. I like it. The old country road, take me home. They certainly changed a few things around here. It's a nice stone wall. Look at that. Boy. Just don't really remember all this. So yeah, here I'm at the top of the mountain here at this place that I just kind of new for me. Maybe it's new for you, because when I used to come up here, these places weren't here. So it's all kind of new, and it's pretty nice. I think I'll be coming up here more often. So it's the owner. Say hello. Tell us what's the name of the place here and.
Nighty Organic Garden and Chilling Hill Bar.
Oh, very chill. Whoa, what's that big cat? You're a big kitty.
I did.
Look at the size of you. You're big for a Thai cat. Look at you, man. Yow. Wow. Where's the kitty? Your kitty wants to be on YouTube. Probably smelled a husky yesterday. So you're a big cat. Wow. Big kitty cat. Oh, you're a big kitty. This is the dining area? Like people come here, they can eat here?
Yes.
Oh yeah? Nice table.
We can eat here and
We go over here, huh? Okay. Let's go down here. Take a look. I like the ovens over there. Those are all hand built, right? You built those yourself?
Like
Very nice.
smokehouse.
Yeah, smokehouse, yeah. Really nice. Chill out here too. Chillax. Toilets over there. Pizza oven, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Now that's a real made
แต่ว่าข้างในเลอะเทอะ
homemade pizza oven. Look, check it out. I'm gonna put the pizza in right now.
But did it after COVID we do nothing, no?
Yeah, same here. Tasty treats up here in the mountains. Yeah, I like the little village over the little sala here too. See how chill that is, man? You'd be chillaxed here. It's quiet. Quiet up here. This their bar area, pretty nice. Keeping it real in Thailand, yeah. Wow, this is what it's about. Look at that kitty cat, just prowling away here. Look, not afraid of the dogs. You're like, I'm my own boss. You go chase the kitties. What's she doing here? What's it? They're all curious. There you have it. Chilling Hill Bar. Hey. Gotta keep it chill, boys. Hey, the waterfall's that way. Down the road we go. So it says it's 10 minutes, 10-minute walk. So it's a bit of a walk. Well, that's a hell of a view, isn't it? Look at that. Pretty nice, huh? Keeping it real in Thailand. Wow. Getting carried out. สวัสดีครับ Hey, 10 นาทีeh? Okay. Well, let's go down. It's a nice trail. I'm in my tootsies here. That's why I like to walk through this. Toughens up the feet. I can hear the faint sounds of a waterfall. I can definitely hear them. I'm going to show you what some of the trails, pretty much all this, always these routes everywhere. Again, this would be one of those trails, if you're not in some decent shape, I'd nix it. And going down's the easy part. Yeah. Look at that vine, how it clings to the tree like that. It's like a snake. Like a dragon almost. Look at that. Look at that, just snakes up the tree. I would think that's a snake. It's the little things, huh? Love that, isn't that great? That's the first time I've seen that. I've not seen that type of vine before. Yeah, it gets pretty steep. They put these stairs in here, which is pretty good. Pretty good of them. Yeah, this is like a... Yeah, if you're not in shape, don't even bother with this trail. If you're not in decent shape. Not for the faint-hearted. Look at that down there though. It's beautiful. Wow. I have to say, this is the first time I've ever been here, that's for sure. I've never been down here before. So we're... I've been on Samui, what, 18 years, coming in, you know, living here, been here almost 20 years. I've never been here before. This is wild. So I'm seeing it for the first time with you guys. With you guys and gals. I'm seeing it for the first time with you all. Wow. That's keeping it real. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty high. Wow. Geez, what a drop from there to there. That's a gorge. Must be about 200, 300 feet down there. Holy smokes. I have to say they did a commendable job hacking out these rocks. Oh, I got a new home for my sticker. It's smack in the center. Hey. That's no good. And there you go. Oh yeah, that's real. Wow. That's the half of it. It's down here where it gets real interesting. Still in my tootsies. More waterfalls. Look at that. What a view. Wow. More waterfall. There's a little nice pool here to swim in. Gets dark pretty quick. Wow, that's just breathtaking. Wow. Now they roped this off for a reason. There's like a 100 or 200 foot drop off that cliff there. It is really, really amazing. It's something else. This is worth more exploration. I did not know this was here. That's incredible. You just want to go take a peek over that edge. I never knew this existed here. I'm so taken back. Why I didn't know what was here before. Say to all you keeping it real and Thailanders out there in YouTube land, wow, thanks for sharing this with me. This is the cool thing, we're both literally experiencing this for the first time. I am, you are. Absolutely amazing. And to know that there's a 200-foot cliff down there just beyond that rope. That's just amazing. I've been here for, like I say, 20 years. I never knew this was here. Duh. I've biked all these mountains countless times. It just shows, you know, you just think you know everything, but you don't. You never do. And that's the wonderful thing about life, isn't it? It always comes up with new surprises. This certainly is one of them. Majestic, isn't it? Alright, so keeping it real in Thailand. Thank you once again. You know what? We're not going to do that this time. We're going to do this. Just enjoy the view.